Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can install Python in your Windows PC. Head over to your favorite web browser and open python.org, which is the Python official website. You can right away see the downloads button in the middle of the page. You can click on that and it will take you to the default download location. By default, it will find out the operating system you are working on and it will suggest you respective download for your OS. I'm working on Windows and that's why it suggests me the download for Windows. If you want a specific version of Python, you can scroll down and you can see the list of versions available and you can choose one of them and click on the download button over there. I'm going to download the latest default version. So I'm going to download Python 3.8.3. Depending on the time you are watching this video, the version may be different, but the download and installation instruction will remain the same. So I'm going to click on this download button and it will start the download process for me. I have already downloaded the Python executable file in my downloads folder, so I'm going to cancel that one and I will navigate to the downloads folder and I can see the Python executable downloaded over here. I can double click on the executable file to start the installation process. So let's double click on this one and it will start the default Windows wizard for installation of any program. And you can also add Python to the path variable and that will make sure that Python is available without setting up any system environment variables. So I will click on this one and I will click on install now and it will start the installation process. It will ask you for the admin privileges and you have to click yes, and it's starting to install the Python executables. I will pause the video for the moment and once the installation process has finished, I will come back. So the installation is about to finish and it has finished now and it says setup was successful. I can click on this close button and now if I open the default command prompt for Windows, I can open it using cmd command and I can press enter key and it will open up the command prompt for Windows. If I type python --s version, it will say which specific version of Python has been installed in my Windows PC. I can open the Python interpreter by typing Python and press enter and it will take me to the Python interactive cell. I can type print hello world and you can see that Python is working in our Windows PC. Now to close the Python interpreter cell, we can type exit and double parenthesis and it will close the interpreter cell for us. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.